What's up, y'all? It's Yujin Tang. Welcome to another episode of Super Simple Python. In this episode, we're going to build a unit converter. So very similar to the calculator one, we're going to be basically building out a list of functions and then building a dictionary that maps strings to those functions. So let's just pick some things to convert to. We'll do inches to feet. And it'll be inches. We'll just return inches divided by 12. Let's do feet to inches as well. Feet to inches. Return times 12. Why don't we also do Celsius to Fahrenheit? C to F. What's Celsius to Fahrenheit? I think you 9. Do I right? Return 9 times F plus 32. And then obviously we'll do Fahrenheit to Celsius, and that would be return F minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. Oops. Underscore F. What else? Yeah, this is fine. You can also add like kilometers to miles. Obviously miles to kilometers, right? What else can you do? You know, milliliters to ounces, stuff like that. But you can basically implement all of those yourself. So let's create our dictionary. We'll do inches to feet. We'll map to inches to feet. Feet to inches. We'll map feet to inches. Celsius to Fahrenheit. I hope I'm spelling that right. I'm not really sure. Fahrenheit to Celsius. There it is. Oh, that's not right. F to C. There it is. Okay. So now we've created our functions and we've created what we want to map them to. Let's tell the user what they can map. So what would you like to convert? And then we'll just tell them what's available. Inches to feet, feet to inches. Actually, wait, we'll just do an input here. And convert. So inches to feet, feet to inches, Celsius to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to Celsius. And we'll dot lower it in case, we'll put it in lowercase in case they type this out with uppercase letters, right? So num equals float input. So we'll ask them what is the value in the base unit. So the base unit, is the one we're converting from, and then we'll just simply do op equals dict convert and print op num. And that should be pretty much it. Python unit converter. Let's say feet to inches. 5 feet. Ooh. Oh, ha, right. This should be a brackets, because if you do the parentheses, it thinks you're calling it as a function. Let's do inches to feet this time. How many? Well, let's say 88. There you go. That's about right. We'll just do one more test. Let's do Fahrenheit to Celsius. I don't know, 32. Yeah, there you go, 0. So, yep, that's pretty much all there is to building a unit converter. And if you like this video, please subscribe, please like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.